Hi, my name's Donny Galella and I'm a fashion stylist, and I want to share all my top styling tips with you. Have you ever put on an outfit and felt absolutely amazing? Well, that's the power of a good outfit. When you put on an outfit you feel good in, you're going to be happier, more confident, and have a better outlook on life. So I'm going to share with you some of my top tips so you always have something incredible to wear and always feel great. Probably my number one tip is always accentuate your best features. I always say, if you had a Ferrari, would you park it in the garage and never drive it? No. So, know what your best assets are, whether it's your neck, your décolletage, your arms, your legs, whatever it is, accentuate it and celebrate it. Obviously, there's always parts of our body that we're not as confident with, and there's lots of styling tricks that I can help you with. For most women and most men, the tummy area is always an area of concern, but I got your back. Look for things that have ruching, pleating, anything that keeps that area busy. Prints are also a great way to kind of hide any lumps and bumps that you may be concerned with. A nice pair of nude shoes. Look for vertical prints or vertical stripes. They always make you look taller and elongated. And a simple trick that a lot of celebrities do is wearing your hair in a ponytail or high bun will instantly make you look taller. Never underestimate the power of color and prints. Color always projects confidence. If you're ever going into a situation where you're a bit nervous, it could be a big corporate meeting, it could be a first date, wear color, it always projects confidence. But also, color is a great way to draw attention to your body where you want the attention. So for example, if you are self-conscious about your lower half, wear darker colors on your lower half, brighter colors on your top half. Prints are also on trend, but can also be a great tool. So if you wear your prints on your top half, that will be the focus. So wear prints on your top half, subdued colors on your lower half. Another trick is know what colors suit you. We can all pull off different colors. We all generally fit into two camps, cool tones or warm tones. Cool tones are generally colors like crisp whites, blues, purples, and warm tones, think fire, like yellows, oranges, reds. If you're unsure, you can always Google color tones and it will help you work out what colors suit you best. Another trick is knowing your body shape. So as I mentioned already, accentuating your best assets is great, but know what body shape you are and really work out how to accentuate your best body shape components. For example, the hourglass. The hourglass is that shape where you have your shoulders, you come in at the waist, you go back at the hips. You don't have to be an overly curvy, buxom hourglass. You can still be a petite size 6 hourglass, but it's all about the proportions of your shoulder, your waist, and your hips. The key thing with hourglass shapes is I really like to cinch in at the waist. So really, wear things like belted trench coats, add a belt over your coats or jackets, just to really highlight your beautiful asset, your waistline. Never underestimate the power of accessories. Not only do they finish off your outfit, but you can use accessories to create the illusion of where you want people to focus on. So, if you are self-conscious about your lower half, then wear those accessories on your top half. A statement earring, necklace, a scarf, that's gonna draw all the attention up north. If you're a little bit self-conscious about your top half, bring the focus down south with a bright color pair of shoes or wear some fun pants. People often ask me, how do I build a perfect wardrobe? Well, there's a few steps involved. Step 1, go to your wardrobe, have a really good edit through your wardrobe and work out what you don't wear anymore, donate that to charity, and then make sure you have all the wardrobe essentials. It's so important that you have wardrobe versatility. And what I mean there, clothes that you can wear from work to the weekend or even going out for drinks at night. Clothes are very underrated. We all invest a lot of money in hair, nails, skin, teeth, all these things, but we all wear clothes every day. So it's really important when you wear clothes, you always look good and feel good. Because when you feel good, you're going to be more confident, you'll have a better outlook on life, you'll be nicer to your partner, your friends, your work colleagues. There's an incredible flow-on effect when you look good and you feel good. So investing in a good wardrobe is so important. I hope you found my styling tips useful. Go out and check out the incredible fashion in store right now.